Hi, this is Chris Roshna on 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. You can pause this video anytime and take a look at all the different ports it has. This HyperDrive Gen2 USB-C hub, 12-in-1, won a Red Dot Design Award, so that's cool. We'll show you some more details on the back. Again, you can pause this anytime and take a look. It has 2x video refresh speed, 4K at 60 Hz, 3x memory card speed at 300 megabits a second, 2x USB-C power delivery at 100 watts, that's awesome, 2x USB-A transfer speed at 10 gigabits. So now we'll get to the actual product itself. So here it is, the HyperDrive Gen2, with only one cord adapter, USB-C, right there. You get all of these ports. So the first port right here on the left is the gigabit Ethernet. Then you have the USB-C port right there. You have two HDMI ports. You have one display port right here. USB 2.0, you have two of those as well. And then going on this side, you have SD card slot, micro SD card slot. Then you have USB 10 gigabits a second, two of those USB 3.0 slots, and a headphone jack, wired of course. So if you have wired headphones, you can use this hub and adapter. You pretty much plug in all kinds of things to it, and it has, like I said, the 100-watt power charging, so that's very cool. There's a lot of power and technology built into this HyperDrive Gen2 USB-C hub. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. Thanks.